You know what? You know what? You know what? I forgot to wet my beauty blender. Of course. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you have been having an awesome week because I feel like it's been very long since I posted a video, even though I only post every Tuesday. But today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's eye look, kind of. Makeup look, kind of. And I don't really slap this much pink onto my eyelid very often. But I decided to have a bit more fun with my colors and I decided to play around with one of my Morphe palettes. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos. I post every Tuesday on my channel. So without further ado, let's get into this very pink makeup. Okay guys, so I already filled in my brows, because if I do that on camera, this will be a very long makeup video. So I just filled in my brows. I'm now going to just prime my skin. Today I am going to use my Farsali Unicorn Essence. And I'm sorry for my sniffing, but my allergies got me and I don't even know what I did. I didn't even hug my cat today. That is priming done. So I'm going to start with my eyes first. I'm first going to just conceal and prime them using my NYX HD concealer. So I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm using the Morphe 35A and 35W palette. Let me just show you this. I bought this palette mainly for my sister's wedding because of all the colors, and I used it for her wedding and I didn't use it again. But when you see these colors, oh my gosh, look at those colors. I mean, it's so pretty. So I was going to start off by setting my eyes. I'm just going to go in with a very nude color. Oh, another palette that I will be using just to deepen up my colors later on, you will see that, is, I'm not sure, it's Beauty Treats Modern Matte Eyeshadow Palette. My cover kind of broke off, so it's not the most aesthetically pleasing, but I will be using that as well. So I'm just dipping into the brown shade and I'm just gonna set my concealer. One thing, this NYX concealer does crease very quickly, so when you use it, make sure that you set it quickly, otherwise it starts creasing in your lines very fast. And once it's dried up, there's no moving it, that's for sure. Okay. So I'm first gonna go in with this shade over here, this light pinkish shade. It's kind of a matte, but it's also got a little shimmer in it. I don't think my swatches are too great, but that's the color. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with that and I'm gonna start off by applying it. I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner, the crease, and the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna go in with this darker pink over here. Because that was not as dark as I hoped it would be, I'm gonna go in with this dark pink in my very broken and used up Modern Matte palette. And I'm gonna use that to darken up my pink color. I feel like there are a lot of Valentine's makeup videos that are coming out, but this is still my first few weeks on YouTube, so I was like, whatever, I'm gonna do one too. So here I am, throwing pink all over my eyelids. Now I'm gonna go in with a angled blending brush And I'm going to go in with this very hot pink over there, and I'm gonna use that to make my pink pop a little bit more, very little more. Okay, so now that I've got just so much pink all over my lids right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut my crease in the center. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna mix these two matte shades, the two matte pinks together. And I'm just gonna use that to blend out the harsh lines from the concealer. For the shimmerer part, now I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35W palette, and I'm gonna use this pink and this champagne-y pink kind of color, and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm going to use a flat shader brush first. I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray, and I'm gonna go in with the bright pink first. When applying shimmers, I still like to go in with a brush first and then take my finger and dab it on, because I feel like you get much more pigment when you press it onto your lid. So then I'm going to go into the champagne pink, and I'm going to dab a little bit over that to make that very bright pink a bit more subtle. I'm gonna now just put on some top liner using the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner in the color, there is no color here, but it's black. So now that my eyeliner is done, I'm gonna go ahead and just slap on some foundation, and today I'm going to be using the LA Girl Perfecting Liquid Makeup in medium beige. I'm going to go ahead and just do my face off camera. Okay guys, so I just finished put my foundation on, and I also put my concealer, and I set my concealer using my BYS Translucent Loose Powder in Natural. So I'm just going to dust off whatever extra was chilling there. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Face HD High Definition Matte Press Powder in the color Soft Honey. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line. I'm going to use this matte pink, the dark matte pink from my Modern Matte palette. My inner corners, I am going to take the Light Up Your Face Luminizer palette by Essence, and I'm going to use this middle pink shimmer over there. Tightline my eyes using the Essence Longlasting Eyepencil. I'm also going to add it to my lower lash line. I take my nude eye pencil. It's Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil, waterproof, by Essence, in the color Silky Nude, and I'm just going to pop that on my waterline from the inner corner, and I'm going to connect it. Just going to curl my lashes and add mascara, and I'm adding the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara, Clump Free. This has been my favorite one so far, but when it's done I plan on finding a new favorite. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm using the Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder for Darker Skin by Essence. Blush, I am using the Essence Mosaic blush in All You Need Is Pink. I don't often wear blush, but I thought that I would actually put it on because we are doing a very pink look today. A very, very pink look. For highlighter, I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator first. I kind of use this as a base for my actual highlighter powder. because it intensifies it a lot. I'm going to use my BYS Highlighting Trio, and I'm going to use the pinky color. My lid broke off again, don't judge me. And I'm going to use this as my highlight. I don't know if you can see how much it intensifies when you put the liquid illuminator underneath. For lips, I'm going to go in and I'm going to do a nude. I'm using the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Ruffle Trim. I'm going to go over my lipstick with the Essence Volume On Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Less Is More. I'm going to do those, like, you know, they do the montage shots or whatever, but I would feel very awkward doing that. So this is the final look, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a lot of pink on my eyelid right now, but it doesn't look so bad. I kind of like it. Yeah. With that, I hope you guys have an awesome Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys all in my next video, which will be next week, Tuesday. Bye, guys.